a jacket. Your head barely swivels freely inside the cockpit, the bubble of the cockpit. So what we have here, ladies and gentlemen, superb. Oh no, we have the Griffons making another pass. The Mark 18 is an interesting airplane. Following up the rear here with Rod Dean is the last operationally used Mark of Spitfire that was operational in Malaya in the 1960s. And look at them when they pass in front of us. Look at the turbulence. You can't see yet. You see the aircraft bubbling up and down, and inside the cockpit at such speed, can tell you it's just like being, it's rock and roll. And there's no harm with that. You're just being trashed around the cockpit. It's flat down. The reason you do the curved approach is because you need to see round the nose on coming into land, but the Spitfire has such excellent ailerons that you have such good control, it makes it very, very natural. And, it's contrary to it's contrary to the trend. The actual trend is to try to moments of jubilation. You can't fool an aeroplane, or you can't. It will always catch you out if you try and fool it. Even a Piper Cub, it's very low, it's very slow, but it can still kill you. If you don't do the proper things at proper time, and if you don't exercise your freedom of being intelligent and responsible properly. That's what flying is about. What I have coming in is, look at it. Isn't the red? The P40B landing over on the hard runway. John remains just landing a 9. This one's the P40B. This is way down here. Oh yeah. The first one flies Timber biplane community. Drawn by Henri Dacouchère, like named the French or Altogether Juliet. Henri, very good pilot. Henri says that Squadron, that's the name of this aircraft, all of them said that this is one of the worst aircraft that was known in terms of durability and precision. And in fact, it's just like the Tiger Mark 1, 2, 7, somewhere biplane with a cabin which could house a few passengers, burping and barking because